Today, we're going to learn about FICO scores and how they are different from any other credit scores you may have access to. FICO scores are special numbers that tell banks if it's safe to lend you money. These scores have been around for over 25 years and they are trusted by many banks. Most lenders use FICO scores to decide if they should give you a loan or a credit card. Imagine if every bank used a different way to decide if you got a loan. It would be confusing. Before FICO scores, this is what happened. People were often approved or denied for strange reasons like where they lived or their jobs. That's why FICO scores are important and they make lending decisions the same for everyone. Banks know they can trust FICO scores to be fair and accurate. So how are FICO scores different? FICO scores use special math to figure out if you will pay back the money you borrow, and other credit scores might look like FICO scores, but they can be very different. Sometimes other scores can even be off as much by 100 points. I want to give you 3 reasons why you should prioritize your FICO scores. Number 1 is it's used by lenders. FICO scores are what most lenders look at when you apply for a loan or a credit card. This means it's important to know your FICO score because it's what the banks will check. Number 2, better financial decisions. With FICO scores, you can better decide when to apply for credit because you know what lenders will see. Other scores can give you false hope or make you think you won't get approved when you actually might. For example, if your other scores say 700 but your FICO score says 600, you might not get the loan that you hope for. Number 3, experience. FICO scores have been around for a long time and have changed to meet our needs. Years ago, people used credit cards less often and loans were smaller. Now we use credit cards more and loans are bigger because things cost more. FICO scores have evolved to keep up with these changes. Now let's break down even more FICO scores versus other scores. So with FICO scores, it's used by 90% of lenders and helps make lending decisions fast and fair and gives you a better understanding of your credit. Other credit scores, often called educational scores, can be very different from your FICO score. They might make you think your credit is better or worse than it actually is. So how to know if you're looking at a FICO score? If it doesn't say FICO, it's probably not FICO. Some websites might try to sell you a score that will look like a FICO score, but it actually isn't. FICO scores are the best way to know where your credit stands. They help banks make fair decisions and help you understand your credit a lot better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to understanding your credit. See you next time.